There is only one place on Earth where every single Rolls-Royce motor car is crafted by hand from start to finish. The Home of Rolls-Royce in Goodwood, West Sussex. This is where icons like the Spectre, Cullinan, Ghost, their black badge versions, the Phantom, and even the ultra-rare coach-build masterpieces come to life. Each vehicle is a one-of-one creation, made specifically to reflect the personal tastes of its owner. Building a Rolls-Royce is not a rush job. It takes more than 600 hours to make just one. And when the design is particularly complex or customized, the whole process can take up to 4 years. These cars are not just vehicles. They are often passed down through families and become prized possessions. In fact, around 66% of all Rolls-Royce cars ever produced are still being driven today. What makes this even more impressive is the team behind the magic. Inside the factory, there is a group of highly skilled craftspeople, engineers, and designers who form the Bespoke Collective. Their job is not just to assemble a car. It is to turn each client's vision into a living, breathing piece of automotive art. Every stitch, every material, every detail is handled with care and intention. This entire approach is driven by the powerful words of Sir Henry Royce, the company's co-founder. Strive for perfection in everything you do. Take the best that exists and make it better. When it does not exist, design it. And that is exactly what they do over and over again. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss stories like this one.